G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation and Roofing. This is some gutter guard here, and I just wanted to show you the difference. You can see this one here's got a few leaves stuck in it. It's a plastic one, and it's just rolled over and tucked into the gutter. Right, so very easy to install. You can buy it from Bunnings, but you see how the leaves are just going down past it and straight in underneath, right? And they just kind of sit in there. They don't really blow out very easily at all. But if we come up here along the roof a little bit, they've actually installed proper leaf guard up this side, right? And you can see this one's not the brand that I use, because it's a plastic one by the looks of it. Yeah, plastic one, right? And this brand I don't use it because it's probably not as good for catching water, because of the way that it's set up, right? But you can see there's no leaves or anything on it all the way along, right? It's in really good condition, and that's because anything that goes down the roof onto it is pushed off by the next bit of rain, right?